coming out of Tampa Supercross, we've had absolutely nothing but bad injury news. And now we have at least some semi-positive or not the worst ones in the world. Obviously, Tristan Lane, one of the two or three, depending on how you want to look at it, people involved in the crash with Ken Roxon, has posted on his Instagram with an update. But if you missed it, this is the crash right here, in which Jeremy Hand and Ken Roxon collide, and Tristan Lane is a passenger. There's absolutely nothing he can do about this. Absolutely nothing he could have moved, jumped, stopped, slowed down, sped up, whatever. He is just a passenger. And that is the result of his arm. Now, he did say, quote on his Instagram, Tampa was wild. It was awesome to finish 8th in my heat race and head to the main event in front of so many family and friends. As many of you know, I was involved in a pretty scary crash around the halfway point of the main. At first, I thought my arm was destroyed. I was so grateful to find out later I had no broken bones. I did beat up my elbow and arm pretty good and needed some stitches. I also got an MRI on my shoulder Monday and found out I have a partially torn labrum in my left shoulder. Thankfully, it doesn't require surgery. The only other damage is weakness in my left hand and obviously a lot of whiplash. Whiplash. Now, that's good. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, and especially something like that where he's just a third party to it. He had no idea it was going to come, and it did look pretty bad. His arm snapping on the handlebar. I personally thought it was broken too. So to find out it's not, to hear that he is at least semi. I don't want to say semi healthy, but with the way this year is semi healthy. It did say the last line of it saying, quote, with all of that being said, see you guys in Detroit. So hopefully he can come back. Hopefully he can continue, to race this year and do well. But I don't know. That's at least some good news that we didn't lose somebody else, and he sounds to be semi okay. I mean, obviously a partially torn labrum isn't very good, but from what it could have been way worse. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me. What do you think of the situation? What do you think of Tampa? Whatever it is, comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.